Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you a phonetic project using Python. So user have to select the level and the countdown will start, and user can select any character and it will give the voice feedback.
O
O R
K
K
The letter K.
cold
G R O D
Gold.
G R O D
pray
P R I Y
Listening.
cultural diversity enriches societies and promotes understanding.
Cultural diversity enriches societies and promotes understanding. Listening.
Learning a new language is a rewarding experience.
Learning a new language is a rewarding experience.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.